Hey everyone, Selena here with Rick's Review Hub. If you're ready to take your pizza game to the next level, you're gonna love this. Today, we're diving into the Halo Versa 16 outdoor pizza oven with a rotating cooking stone that makes perfect pizzas a breeze. This propane-powered oven cooks 16-inch pies in just 5 minutes. Stick around to see why this could be your new favorite backyard gadget and check the link in the description for the best deal. Let's break down the features. The Halo Versa 16 is a portable propane-fueled pizza oven that hits 950 degree in about 12 minutes with a 750 degree cordierite stone for crispy crusts. Its patented dual-burner system includes a U-shaped rear burner for even top heat and an infrared burner under the 16-inch rotating stone so you don't have to turn your pizza. It's compatible with 20-pound or 1-pound propane tanks, making it great for patios or camping. The hinged lid makes cleaning and stone access a snap, and it's built with durable powder-coated and stainless steel. It's powered by an AC adapter or 2D batteries for the rotating stone, plus a AA battery for the igniter. You also get an oven cover included. Now the pros: the rotating stone is a game changer. Users say it delivers evenly cooked pizzas with crispy bottoms, no manual turning needed. It's super versatile. You can cook steaks, veggies, or even desserts. The quick 12-minute heat up and 5-minute cook time make it perfect for pizza parties. Reviewers love the portability with 1-pound tanks and praise Halo's customer service for quick fixes, like replacing a faulty motor for free. The build feels solid, and the hinged lid makes cleanup easy. One user called it the best portable oven for its crust quality compared to competitors like Uni. There are some cons to consider. At around $550, it's not the cheapest, and accessories like a pizza peel or stand cost extra. Some users found assembly tricky, like putting together a kid's toy, and the infrared burner can be finicky to light. The stone could be thicker for better heat retention, and there's only one temperature control, so you can't adjust the burners separately. A few reported minor defects, like a bent burner, but Halo's support resolved these. I recommend the Halo Versa 16 if you want hassle-free pizzeria-quality pizzas at home or on the go. It's ideal for beginners or entertainers who love consistent results without constant tweaking. If you're after super fast Neapolitan pies or a budget option, you might look at the Unicoda 16 or Solo Stove Pie Prime, but for ease and versatility, this is a winner. Check our full review on the channel for more tips. Ready to fire up amazing pizzas? Grab the Halo Versa 16 outdoor pizza oven using the link in the description for the best pricing through Rick's Review Hub. We've got special promotional deals you won't want to miss. If this review helped you out, please like, share, and subscribe for more honest gear reviews. Thanks for watching, and here's to epic pizza nights.